Day 9, people. Day 9 for Swift. If you want to see the Swift UI version, check it out. It should be up by now. But today I learned a lot about structs, private variables, static variables, initializers, and just the works, right? So let's get into this and show you guys what I've built so far. So before or yesterday, it will be me creating a stored property or a computer property and then creating an instance like what you see on line 18. But with initializers, I could change the way I create an instance of whatever I'm making. But now, as you can see on line 8 and 12, there are different ways I can create my instance with certain parameters with the initializer. And also the self keyword is just a great way for you to make sure you know exactly what you're referring to, the var name instead of the name inside that initializer. And also when creating my instance of a new character, I don't have to use both parameters. I could choose one or the other. So I could either leave it blank or I could have a name to it. And as you can see on line 21, rather than me using the initializer with the parameters in it, I just did the first one and then accessed the name and gave it a name called Asta. So for struct family tree and struct person, in family tree, I'm inheriting characteristics so that way I can use it in my struct person. But with lazy var, I'm only able to access it when I call it out. So at line 42, I'm calling it out. So when you add the keyword static to any property or method, it allows you to share it across the struct itself in order for you to do some sort of computation or updating or whatever you want to do inside your struct. Now the keyword private only allows methods to access it, because imagine if you were creating an account for somebody and you don't want their password, their ID, their important information to be seen by somebody. So it's only interacting a certain way, like there's layers to it. But that's all I learned for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. If you guys have any tips or anything I should learn, let me know. I'm definitely here to grow and become the best Swift developer ever.